40% goes to development. Development is things like this building we have here. What is 40% of 10 trillion? What's 40% of 10 trillion? 4 trillion, isn't it? So we have in this administration 4 trillion that we need to get, correct? Is it wise for us to start campaigning now instead of dealing with the 4 trillion? What would you rather do? Campaign or development? I just give you a small advice. Let us concentrate on development. The time for campaigning will. At that point, constitutionally, you are free to stand for any seat in this country, correct? In any event, is the presidency vacant? Answer me, you guys. We are going to do exams. I thought that SG asked a question here and somebody earned some money. Is the presidency vacant? How many think it is vacant? What I'm advising you, and as leaders, we need to be able to advise our people properly so that we do the right thing at the right time. I'm not saying anything. I'm not castigating anybody. I'm just saying, is this the right time to engage in that activity? Sindio? Sasa tupapika ama tufanye namna gani? And because of that, I know these students have been to many places. I can look at how brilliant these students are. Their dreams, what they want. They want us to do halls like this. They want us to do for them classrooms. They want us to get for them teachers who are properly tooled to teach them. They want reading materials. They want labs so that your dreams can come true, isn't it? Yes, or do you want to engage in activities that will allow you to sit here for 2 years and wait for the next administration? I want to hear you whether you're loud or not loud. Do you want to wait for you to continue in the next administration? No, sir. You are here now, isn't it? Yes, sir. Chakula iko kwa meza sahi, si ndio? Yes, sir. We deal with it now, si ndio? Yes, sir. We deal with the other things next time when the time comes, correct? Yes, sir. I want us to concentrate, ladies and gentlemen, on what is on the table now and not what we cannot even see, correct? Yes. How many are with me? These gentlemen here are not with me. Somebody talked about the payslip. Let me come to you. Is the payslip deduction in the law or not in the law?